How you doing, everybody? This is Al from WhiteHatBox. I'm going to give you a quick rundown of the new FollowingLike, and we're going to set up a follow campaign. After the system verifies and logs into your account, we're going to go ahead and click on Task Manager and set up our first campaign. First thing you want to do is go ahead and select Instagram and click on Add. We're going to name the task. Name it Follow. Hit the OK button. Click on the correct social media platform, which is Instagram. And we're going to click the right click here button and add module. Go ahead and select account. Once you select account, make sure to double check that both of these check marks are selected and use all checked accounts if you have one account. Then we're going to right click here, add a module, click text. Once you select text, you can go ahead and type in a value per line. This can be different hashtags or users that you'd like to go ahead and look up. For this instance, I'm going to go ahead and use hashtags, and you can do a hashtag per line. So I'm going to type in EDM, hit enter, go to the next line, then music, hit enter, go to the next line, pop, hit enter, go to the next line. Once I have populated this whole entire space, I can either export this list into a CSV file or a text file. Leave it anywhere on your desktop or any specific folder you like. Okay, and make sure to go ahead and select first row or random row if you have multiple hashtags to select from. And make sure that after it fetches the data that you do not delete anything. Okay, and moving on, we're going to right click here, add an additional module, type in search and search users. The account source will be account and search keyword will be text. Search by, we're going to go ahead and select any one. Search type, accurate type is just fine. Search amount, 5. Timeout, 240, and that's in seconds. And what we're going to do is first row fetch data, and once it's done fetching the data, we're going to delete the row because you don't want to continue to follow the same people. And click onto the next module. Right click here, add module, and the last part is very easy. We're going to hit the follow button. The follow button, we're going to go ahead and select the user source. The user source is going to be search users. Account source is going to be account. Run times, you can go ahead and select the custom value right here, or have run all source, which is better. It's automatically going to input all of the data that's collected. After you fetch the data, you're going to hit first row and delete the row, so you're not continuing to follow the same people. And if you notice on the top, it says please set an interval time for follow operation on the account manager tab. The account manager tab is actually right here. Once we go ahead and hit the OK button and we're all set, we're going to go back to the account manager tab, select this account, and if you notice up top here, account manager tab. Boom. In the account manager tab, you have an option called limit. You can go ahead and click on limit and change all of these intervals to whatever you'd like. So currently it's at commenting at 60 to 120 seconds, 1 to 2 minutes, liking 1 to 2 minutes, home liked 1 to 2 minutes, unlike 60 to 120 seconds. They're all fairly well used. All right, back to the task manager page. Let's go ahead and see if this bad boy runs. You can go ahead and select these two checkboxes and hit run, and let's see what happens. You get prompted with a run settings button. A run settings option pops up. you can select Run Now, run it on a schedule, run it at a different schedule per day, and you can have it running multiple times or have it running infinitely with a loop run. We're going to do runtime 1 and run now. Okay. Perfect. So now the account is verifying that it's an account. It's taking out these 3 texts. It's searching for users. It's found 5 results. So as you see here, out of the 5 that we need to follow, it successfully completed 1. And the next 60 seconds, it will continue to follow the next person. Success. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and stop it right there. You're all set with the following campaign, and we're going to move on to the next section. Once again, thank you very much. This is Al from WhiteHatBox. Hope to see you on the next tutorial.